Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all in this English class. We know it very well and we can't ignore our board marks and the board result. So that's why we don't want to lose this subject also. So it's my request that we shouldn't take this subject very lightly. This time, the paper, it becomes very scoring. We know, like other subjects, 50% paper, that is a objective. Suppose 80 marks theory paper is there and 40 marks, that is MCQ questions are there. And 40 marks, that is subjective. And even in subjective also, so many topics, they have been deleted. And the maximum subjective question, which was previously of 10 marks, and we need the 200 words plus 200 words, now it is only of 5 marks. Okay? So the paper, it becomes very much scoring. With little efforts and with interest, we can score very good marks in this subject this year. Otherwise, the score of this subject last year, that was fully subjective, but even then it was 97. And I'm sure that you will break this record of Genesis. Okay? We can get 99. We can get 100 marks out of 100 in English. I think 20 marks project work is there, but in theory, we can very easily we can get. But try to understand what we are doing, what is the basics, what's the format. Once we will do one poem, once we will do one chapter, it will be very easy for us to do the things. We are grown-up children and we understand what is the story of that. But that is not the question. In 20 marks also, 40 marks also, I'll tell you the blueprint also. Some students, they might be going in the school and they know about the format, but even then, we will discuss about the format, about the blueprint of the paper. Then we can easily prepare this subject according to the blueprint. And you see, it will be very easy. Easy with what? Easy with our full understanding of the topic. Basic should be clear. So regarding the books, you know it very well. How many books are there? 2 books are there. One is the Flamingo. Another one is Vistas. In Flamingo, there is prose and poems. And here the prose is there. So today I'm going to start. First, we will do the poems. One poem is deleted by CBSE. Now 5 poems are there. Okay? As today is the first lecture, and I don't want that you shouldn't come in the next one. So we will do very small poems, poem number 1. And if we will get, then we will do something of writing part also. In writing part, we have done the notice previously in 11th standard, whatever it was. We have done the advertisement also. How much we have done that we know, but we know about the ABC of the notice and the advertisement. Okay? One thing which is very much new in 12th standard, that is invitation. Invitation and replies. That we will do today. Okay? So we'll sit with concentration, with full interest. Don't think that there is 2-hour class of English, so wastage of time, I can do chemistry, physics, and like that. No, this is December. Already we are going to starting very late. Now must do this topic, do this subject with full interest. Where there is some doubt, you ask me, right? So first of all, you write down in your register, poem 1. My mother at 66. Who is the poet? Very good. Kamla Das. My mother at 66. This is the title of the poem. Students, what the title is? With that title, we come to know this poem is related with the age factor, old age, Okay. Kamala Das, she is very sensitive writer, very emotional. In this small poem also, she has just shows her emotions for the bonding with her mother. What is mentioned in a small poem? Very simple in language, very easy to understand. But what is the theme? That is the bonding between a child and a mother. The poet, she is driving to Cochin airport. And on the way, her mother, she is sitting beside her. When she sat towards her mother, she was dozing with a wide mouth open. Who dozed? She was not sleeping. She was dozing. Dozing means she was maybe old age, maybe weakness. She can't tolerate the journey and she just dozing and her mouth is wide open. When the poet, she sat towards her mother, she realized now she's getting old and she's approaching death. Otherwise, death has no time. But for granted, we are taking that now she becomes old. Now the next stage, that will be death. As we have done one poem earlier in our junior classes, you might have learned 7 ages. We have done the 7 ages. Infant, school going, lover, soldier, justice, old age, very old age. After that, no life. In the same manner, with the old age, for granted, we are taking that now the person is approaching death. When she sat towards her mother, that her end is near, she became sad. And she just feared. She saw the face of her mother. This is very much important regarding the face. Write down face of her mother. We should learn some points. Wan means colorless, pale, looking like corpse, dead body. So regarding the face, sometime question comes, how her face? Her face, that is wan, colorless. And her face is pale, pila sa, piltan sa, white sa. That means she's getting old. She was looking like a corpse, dead body. When she sat towards her mother, she has noticed these 3 things. She became sad. And she just shickled to have this thought in her mind. And she wanted to put that thought away from her mind. This is our, write down, lines 1 to 6. These are our lines 1 to 6. Okay? So what is mentioned in lines 1 to 6? Poet was driving to Cochin airport. Her mother was sitting beside her. When she sat towards her mother, she was looking very pale, very weak, and she was dozing with her mouth wide open. And she just fears and she trembles. She became sad to see the face of her mother. And then she doesn't want to put this thought in her mind. She wanted to put that thought away from her mind. What she did, that will be from lines 6 to 11. 1 to 6 lines, they are clear? Now see your book. See the books, write down lines 1 to 6. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. I saw when she was in the car, she saw her mother who was sitting beside her. Doze, open mouth. She was dozing with her mouth wide open. Her face ashen-like. One more word is there, ash. That is colorless. Her face ashen-like. We know ash. That is colorless. Her face, it was ashen-like that of a corpse, that of a dead body. Her face, it was colorless and looking like a dead body, and realized with pain. The poet, she was very much pained to see such a condition of her mother. She was pained, realized with pain that she thought away. She wanted to put that thought away from her mind and looked, but soon put that thought away. She wanted to put that thought away from her mind, and that is why she was very much sad. Why she wanted to put that thought away from her mind? Because she became sad to see the condition of her mother. What she has realized out of pain, that her end is near. She is approaching death. I may not be able to see my mother when I come back after 2 years. So she became sad to see this thing. See lines 1 to 6 from your book. If any line is not clear, ask to me. Shabash. Then we will discuss the 1 to 6 point. At that time, your turn will be there. So don't hesitate. Must read. Everything should be clear. What is the face? What is van? What is Ashen? What is corpse? What thought comes in her mind which has made her sad? So these are the point. This is the comprehension. और कहाँ से ऊपर question आ जाएगा? These are the MCQ. इन्हीं में से MCQ 4 options will be there. Mother's face was looking like 4 options will be there, and we know the correct answer. We know the poem. We can very easily, with no time, we can tick mark the correct option. Doze. Doze means dozing, ungna. जैसे हम कहते हैं, we are not sleeping, just we are in a dozing. ठीक है? Sleepy condition, not sleeping, but in a sleepy condition. That is doze. It becomes out of corpse like a dead body. Okay? Corpse means dead body. And which poetic device is used? Just see the line. Her face ashen like. Yes, figure of speech, I am telling you. 3 types of the words are there. Figure of speech, literary device, poetic device. Any one thing is asked, same question. If it is asked poetic device, yes, simile, spellings are wrong. Ayush? Spellings S-I-M-I-L-E. Okay? Not L-Y. Simile, S-I-M-I-L-E. That is simile. What is simile? I told you, the student, those who are sitting here in 10th standard. Simile, that is a comparison is there. Okay? When direct comparison is there, that is simile. When indirect comparison is there, comparison is imposed, that is metaphor. He was fighting in the field like a lion. What it is? Like a lion. Otherwise, for cramming, if there is as or like, that means that is simile. And if it is, he was a lion in the field. वो भी comparison. He was a lion in the field. That is a metaphor. So when the comparison is imposed, that is metaphor. And when direct comparison is there, that is same as. Good. Write the questions. Only write the questions. We will discuss the answers. Where was the poet driving to? We will discuss afterwards. Only write the questions. It can come as a comprehension. It can come as a MCQ. Where was the poet driving to? What did she do? What did she do? Why did the mother look so? Third one. Why did the mother look so? What did the poet realize? What did the poet realize? How did she feel? How did she feel? What did she do then? Last one. What did she do then? And why? What did she do then and why? You think 1 or 2 minutes I am giving you, then One by one, we will speak while sitting. Okay? We will speak the answer. No doubt the student, they are participating good. Very active participation is there. Those who are in the lecture, online, good. Should we start? First one, your good name? Hanji? Aneet. Okay, started. Deep. Yeah. Okay, right. Start. Question 1 and answer. In Cochin Airport.
What did she do? She suddenly looked at her mother sitting beside her.
Right. She saw her mother sitting beside her. Keep sitting.
Why did the mother look so? The mother looked so because she was getting old.
She was 66. We can take the title of the poem. She was 66 years old. Okay. She is getting old and of 66 years old.
What did the poet realize? The poet realized that she was, her mother was near death.
Right. That her end is near. She is approaching death. We can write any. Next.
How did she feel? She feel that her mother is near death.
How did she? Yeah, what is the question? How did she feel?
She feels that her mother is near death.
Feel mean emotion. What type of emotion comes? Pain, sad. Okay, she was feeling pained. She was pained to see such a condition of her mother. Next.
Why did she do that?
What did she do then? Yes, what did she do then?
She wanted to remove that thought.
She wanted to put that bad thought, sad thought from her mind. Okay, why? Because she was pained. She wanted to put that thought away from her mind. Why? Because she was feeling pained. It's clear? Line 1 to 6. Any 2 marks question, if it comes, we are able to write the answer. Suppose any one question is there, write down only question. There are now 2 types of the questions are there. After this poem, we will discuss the blueprint. Okay? One, you will get the extract from the poem. 4 lines, 4 questions. Okay? You will get the 1 line answer as you are telling just now. Another one is MCQ question that will be in the first part of the paper. 20 marks ka jo aapka aayega. In that, you will tick mark the correct option. One question answered in 20 to 30 words. That will be of 2 marks. That can come from the poem. Write down answer in 20 to 30. You will not write the answer, but I'm just giving you answer in 20 to 30 words. Why did the poet, sorry, instead of why, what kar do? What did the poet think to see her mother? What did the poet think to see her mother? 20 to 30 words mean to the point we have to write. Think about the answer. We will discuss. Shabash. But we can write. You can write in your notebook and you can speak from there. Nobody will stand. Keep sitting. What did the poet think to see her mother?
Excuse me.
Yes.
आपने जो last question दिया था इससे पहले, why did she do then and why? Why का कौन
Why katha? Because she was pained. What did she do then? She wanted to put that thought away from her mind. Why? Because she was pained.
I mean, but can we answer? She tried a mood swing.
She?
Tried a mood swing. She changed her mood from that to something.
No, my question is.
What did she do then?
No, not this.
Put that thought away.
That is the first one exercise. Huh?
What
This.
did she do then and why?
Previously
asked question.
Which one? What did she do then? She put that thought away from her mind. That will be in line 6 to 11. When we will do the whole poem, then we can associate and continue the answer. Still, you are focusing on only on 1 to 6 line. Up to 6th line, what is the last point? She wanted to put that thought away from her mind. बस अभी हमने आगे नहीं जाना, मत सोचो इसके आगे क्या है. Only focus on this. When it is very much clear to us, we are able to answer any question, then we will proceed. In line 6 to 11, next also, the same thing will be a which thought, how she has put that thought away from her mind. Okay, that we will do. So what was my question which I just given to you of 2 marks? What did the poet think to see her mother? The poet, while going Cochin airport, when she saw her mother, she was looking very pale, like a dead body, like a corpse. Corpse word use karenge, like a corpse. She was pained to think that her mother's end is near. Bas, 30 words. Okay, when the line 1 to 6 is clear, we can write this. Okay, don't write in detail. 4, 5 lines, even 4, 5 lines, they are not so good in this type of the question. That is question number, I think 10 is there. We are answering in 20 to 30 words. Another question can come from the poem. Answer in 40 to 50 words. Suppose same question is there, and you have got this answer in question number 11 according to blueprint, and that is answer in 40 to 50 words. In that we know lines 1 to 6. मैं lines क्यों दे रही हूँ? Why we are focusing on this? Whenever some question come, you just bring this image in your mind. That was the 12th of December. We were sitting in the class, and what is told about 1 to 6 point. Your answer is there only on, you focus your image, your memory only on point number 1 to 6. You will be able to get the answer. आप आगे इधर उधर कुछ सोचेंगे नहीं, वो भी आ सकता है, वो भी आ सकता है. No, to the point we write. I told you, the poems are very simple. Chapters are very simple. But what is the main thing which we have to do the practice in a very short period of December is going on Jan and Feb. It may be on April, it is not sure. But we are preparing ourselves that our exams, they are in March. Okay? That may be extended, but we will prepare ourselves for the March. So for that, we have to do how to attempt the questions. How to attempt to the points. If they are giving, they have made blueprint banaya, तो उनके मन में क्या आया? They want the answer. The child, he knows the poem, he can give the answer. They can make only one question 40 to 50. They can make only one question 20 to 30. Why they have taken the same type of the 2 questions are there? One is of 3 marks, one is of 2 marks. Just they want to see how we can make the good sentence formation for the different questions. Okay? We should proceed. Now write line 6 to 11. What is this? Something has happened. Now, what is in line 1 to 6 to 11? In line 1 to 6, we have done the thought comes in her mind and she was very pained about that thought. What she do? She wanted to put that thought away from her mind. For that, diversion is needed. Okay? She had just diverted her attention. Diverted her attention From where? She started looking outside the window of the car. When we are traveling in the car, in the bus, in train, but we prefer the window seat and we wanted to see outside. She wanted to see outside because on this side, her sick, her old mother is sitting there. When she started looking outside the window, what she saw when we are in the car, what we saw, the trees, they are sprinting, they are running fast. But we see the trees, they are running fast. Trees are running. No, a car is running at a fast speed, okay, and at a high speed. So it appears the trees, they are sprinting. Sprinting, that is running. One word is there, 6 to 11 line. Sprinting, that is running. And what she saw in the field, the small children, they are spilling out merrily, happily from their home and they are playing. In India, when में क्या होता है? थोड़ी थोड़ी दूर पे जाओगे, हर जगह बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. So many teams are there, so many people, children, they are playing the cricket only. When we see in the open field, our car, we are in the car, but we see the children, they are spilling out. One word is there in this line, spilling. Spilling, coming out. Merrily, happily. Merrily, happily. Small children, they are coming out from their home happily and they are playing. These two things are seen by the poet. Then she compared the things. Outside the car, inside the car. What is outside the car? Life, progress, running, spilling, playing, merrily, happy. Life is there. Inside the car, death, decay, inactiveness. So very contrast atmosphere is there in the car, outside the car. This is in line 6 to 11. She has diverted her attention. She started looking outside the window, and what she saw outside, the trees, they are sprinting, they are running, and the merry, the happy children, they are spilling out of their homes and they were playing. And she had just saw the contrast world inside the car and outside the car. Nothing else in line 6 to 11. It's clear? See your book now. Now, first see the last paragraph's line. Put that thought away and looked out. How she has put her thought away? By looking outside the window of the car. And looked out at young trees sprinting. The young trees, they are running fast. The merry children, the happy children, spilling out of their homes, coming out from their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her. When they reached the airport and at the security check, again she saw towards her mother, a few yards, who was standing a few yards away from her. What is? I looked again at her when, what is when? Colorless, pale as a late winter's moon. Again, as a late winter's moon, simile is there. So in line 6 to 11, that is the spilling and the contrasting world is there. Then they reached the airport. At the security check, few yards away, when she was standing, and she again saw towards her mother, because now that is the time to leave from her mother. That fear comes in her mind. Same emotion comes in her mind. Now I'm going away from her mother. She will be all alone. I may not be able to see her again. Then what she saw, what she noticed at the security check, that her mother, she is looking like a late winter's moon. Late means December month. Now not of these days, when there was a December and there was a very chilling cold was there. ठीक है, उस दिसंबर की बात कर रहे हैं, not of this global warming. December, January, these are the coldest months of the year. At that time, the moon, because of the fog, mist, the moon's light, it is not so bright as it is in the summers. We enjoy the moonlight in summers. And we just take the walk and we do the work and we stand and do the thing, talking to each other, meeting each other under the summer moon, because the light is very bright. It is full of energy. In the same manner, her mother, when she was young, at that time, she was full of energy. So much brightness is there. She was looking so beautiful. Now, at the age of this 66, how she is looking. That is just like a late winter's moon. As the late winter moon is very dull, in the same manner, no brightness is there. At the same manner, her mother, she is looking like that. It is in lines 6 to 11. Read out. Ask to me if any doubt is there. Late winter moon symbolic of death. We can say symbolic of death because we are unable to see the moon in the late winter. When so much winter is there, fog is there. In the same manner, her mother, she will not be able to see her again. That is symbolic of death. There should not be any point which is not clear and we can't make a good answer. Okay, so read the lines very carefully. Each and every word and each and every line should be clear. Because how much question answer and how much matter we can cram? No cramming should be there. I'm here with you. You read out. Spilling means coming out. Spilling, that is Malik, coming out. Yes, happily. Happily के आगे क्या लिखा है? कहाँ पे है? That is the meaning of merrily, happily. Yes, Aditi, familiar एक, that is 11 to 14 line, that we are not there. Focus on line number 1 to 11 only. 1 to 6, 6 to 11. Don't read the poem. Yes, beta.
Does sprinting trees represent life and swift pace of time?
Yeah. Life, progress, joy, happiness. Okay, life is progressing. What is life? Life हम किसे बोलेंगे? Which is very active, which is progressing. जहाँ थम गए, रुक गए, life खत्म होगी. That means that is decay, disease, death. That is inside the car, outside the car. It's a important question of 3 marks. Compare the, okay, inside the car and outside the car. Questions I'll give to you. Only questions. Again, write down. Questions. Why did the poet look out? Why did the poet look out? What did she notice? What did she notice? How were the trees sprinting? How were the trees sprinting? What we will write in this answer? How were the trees sprinting? Trees were not sprinting. What we will write about? The speed of the car. Okay? Yes. How were the trees sprinting? What do the sprinting trees and merry children spilling out signify? What do the sprinting trees and merry children spilling out signify? What they signify? Joy, life, activeness, okay, happiness, that is full of life, energy, And on the other side, death, decay. Next one. What did the poet do? What did the poet do after the security check? What did the poet do after the security check at the airport? At the airport. What did she do? She again word we will use. Okay, here is the importance of the word again, because she was noticing, she was seeing towards the mother from the beginning of the poem. Now again, she noticed, she saw towards her mother again, right? Looked at her mother again. And how she was looking? Late winter's moon. Last one. Which figure of speech is used in these lines? Simile, and we will explain also. Which figure of speech is used in these lines? Simile, she was looking like a late winter moon. So these are the questions. Just read out whether we are able to do, because a lot of other work is there. If these are clear, anyone which is not clear, you ask to me. Otherwise, try to make the answers. Just analyze yourself whether I'm able to write the answers of these questions. If they are come as a 20 to 30 words, if they are coming as a 30 to 40 words, if we need some information, we are having very less sentences, we are not able to write the answer, you just discuss to me and ask to me. Okay, what else we can write? In 30 to 40 words, okay, where it is of 3 marks, then we need 5 or 6 lines. In 3 marks question, we need 5 or 6 lines. In that, at the starting, we can tell to the examiner about where the poet was going and how she was looking towards her mother. 1 line only. Then we come to the present question. But in 20 to 30 words, to the point, we will write the answer. With the practice only, you will come to know. Okay? How about the trees sprinting? Trees are not, no, that is the query from the children. Trees are not sprinting, they are not running. We are sitting in the car and the car is speeding, car is running at a high speed. Okay? And it appears that the trees, they are sprinting. Trees are not sprinting. Which last one? Repeat the last one. Sorry. Which question is there? What is the question? Which poetic device? Simile. Simile, write the answer of this question. How we should write the answer of this question if it is of the extract question of 1 line. Don't write only simile. You will get half mark. अगर आप सीधा आंसर लिख देते हैं, ये extract में आया, आपने simile लिख दिया, you will get half mark. You will not get the 1 mark. We will tell how it is a simile. Okay? Write the answer of this question. Last question. Write the answer. The poet has used a simile, S capital, write in commas. And you can write all the letters capital. Highlight karo simile ko puri line mein likh ke. S-I-M-I-L-E. Simile, which is used for comparison. Which is used for direct comparison bhi likh sakte hain, which is used for comparison. Her mother looked like, continue the answer. Yeah, her mother looked like the late winter's moon. The late winter's moon. How the late winter moon? Comma, feeble and faded. Feeble, F-E-E-B-L-E, very weak, dull. Feeble and faded, dull. Faded. It's clear now? Lines 1 to 6, 6 to 11. Okay. Last paragraph, only 4 lines are there. Lines 11 to 14. So lines 11 to 14, that is the last paragraph of the poem. It is regarding the parting words. Naturally, they are at the security check. She has seen towards her mother again. Now there is a time to leave, okay? But how she is living, how she has controlled herself, what parting word she has told to her mother, and what they signify. She went near her mother, tap, and what she said? See you soon, Amma. See you soon, Amma. What is its significance? She just giving the reassurance to her mother. Very soon we will meet each other. फिक्र नहीं करो, जल्द आ जाऊंगी. फिक्र नहीं करो, हम फिर मिलेंगे, अभी जल्दी मिलेंगे. Don't be sad, like this. These are the parting words. What are the parting words? One more question comes. That is, see your book, how it is written. See you soon, Amma. See you soon, Amma. She just giving the reassurance to her mother that they will meet again. And then she smiles, smiles, smiles. Smile signify her attempt, the poet's attempt to overcome her fear. Which fear? Childhood fear. What is the childhood fear? आपने देखा कई बच्चों को छोटों का मम्मा का पल्लू पकड़ के साथ 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 बस में चढ़ना है, मम्मा अगर पहले चढ़ गई चीख चखाड़ा, कंडक्टर को विसिल बजानी पड़ी, बस रोकनी पड़ी. क्यों? मम्मा ऊपर रहेगी, बच्चा नीचे, बस साड़ी का पल्लू पकड़ा हुआ है. What is that? बच्चे के मन में क्या होता है उस समय? फियर ऑफ सेपरेशन, कि मम्मा चली जाएगी, मैं पीछे रह जाऊंगा या मैं गुम ना हो जाऊं. That is the fear of childhood fear. Familiar ache. Ache means pain. What is familiar ache? The separation from her mother. This fear was there. Just to overcome that attempt from her mind, she smiled towards her mother. She smiles. Okay, she has given the assurance to her mother that we will meet soon. And she smiles कि मुझे कुछ नहीं बुरा लग रहा, ठीक है, सब कुछ है, मैं जा रही हूँ. We will come again. So this is our small poem, My Mother at 66. One another theme is there in the mind of the poet also. Now this is the whole emotions. They are only, we are separating from our mother. If she is not going to Kochi, we are at home, no doubt. That is our age, having lot of work. Mama abhi us age mein nahi hai, dadi mama hai. They feel loneliness. They want time. Aging old people, they want time from their children. They have spent their lot of time with their children and they want that our children, they should sit only for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, ask for the well-being, थोड़ी सी बातें करें. सुबह से अकेले बैठे हैं, देख रहे हैं, वो ऑफिस गया, वो आने वाला है, वो कॉलेज गया, वो आने वाला है, वो स्कूल गई है, वो आने वाले, डॉटर इन लॉ जॉब में है, वो शाम को आएगी. सारा दिन अकेले बैठे आके, lot of work is there, we are working and we are having tuition so much. As a student we are having so much work. हमारा ध्यान ही नहीं जाता. दादी मम्मा दादू सुबह से अकेले बैठे हैं. We should go in their room. ठीक हो, दवाई खाई, खाना खाया, बस. Only these 2-3 words, they gave life to our elders, to our grandparents. ठीक है? Another theme is such type of. So we should be practical. We respect such emotions. We love such emotions. That is why these type of the poems are there in our syllabus. Right? Now write some questions of the last paragraph. What is the old familiar ache? What is the old familiar ache? साथ साथ लिखते जो fear or pain of separation. Sentence बाद में बना लेना अपने आप. You write of your own. Fear and pain of separation. What do you think is her childhood fear? What do you think is her childhood fear? Again, separation from her mother. Separation from her mother. What were her parting words? What were her parting words? See you soon, Amma, written on the blackboard. See you soon, Amma. Sometimes second part of the question is in the same. What do they signify? We can write separately or we can add with this question also. What do they sacrifice? What do they signify? What do they signify? They signify, write the answer of this. They signify reassurance, REASSURANCE, reassurance that she will soon be with her. She will soon be with her. What does the poet's smile signify? What does the poet's smile signify? In 3, 4, 30, 40 words, both things are asked. Separately can be asked. So what is to be asked? Only we answer that thing, okay? The poet's smile signifies, her attempt to overcome the pain inside her heart, while living from her mother. While living from her mother. 2, 3 question very important. You write only the questions. Write down. Which one? The poet's smile. क्या question था? The poet's smile signifies her attempt to overcome. क्या लिखा था? Attempt to overcome the pain. Her attempt to overcome the pain inside her heart while living from her mother. Answer in 30 to 40 words. Bracket में लिख लो 5, 6 lines. 5 lines. At least 4 to 6 lines लिख लो. 5.5 and like this. 4 to 6 lines. Answer in 40 to 50 words and it is of 3 marks. Just we will discuss the blueprint also, but even then you write down. Question number 1. Why has the mother been compared to the late winter's moon? Compared to the late winter's moon. Second, why does the poet feel that old familiar ache? Why does the poet feel that old familiar ache and her childhood fear? Old familiar ache and her childhood fear. Last one. What do the parting words of the poet? What do the parting words of the poet and her smile signify? What do the parting words of the poet and her smile signify?
Please repeat the first one.
First one, question. Which was there? Late winter's moon वाला था मैं क्या? Why has the mother been compared to? Why has the mother been compared to the late winter's moon? It's clear? You just go through. After 2-3 minutes, we will start. Second one question. What was the second one? Okay. Why does the poet feel? Why does the poet feel that old familiar ache and her childhood fear? Old familiar ache and childhood fear. So the question paper is divided into two parts, part A, part B. Part A, it is of 40 marks and totally MCQ. Question number 1 of our question paper, that will be of unseen passage, as we are doing in our junior classes also. And these are all MCQ questions. 11 questions will be there, and out of 11, we have to do the 10, but we will do all. Okay? Don't leave. Continuously, we will do the 11 questions, and out of that, 10 will be considered. And question number 2, there is again the unseen passage is there, but pie charts are there. When we'll do the practice, you will come to know, and you must take one sample paper from the market, and you will come to know about the CBSE pattern. Pie charts are there, graphs are there, tables are there, and in that, Again, 10 questions we have to do out of 11. Only 2 reading passages are there. Previously, there was question number 3. That is, one passage was there. We have to make the note making summary and like this. That question is not there. Okay? These 2 passages will be there. और इसमें भी नहीं कि हमने questions लिखने हैं कुछ है. Understanding of the full passage should be there and MCQ questions are there. Right? Question number 1 and 2 is clear. Question number 3. Read the extracts. And do any 2 out of 3. A, B, C. These are the, कहाँ से होंगे ये extract? Flamingo and Vistas. Maybe कुछ बहुत कुछ पकड़ा हुआ है. Nothing is there. Voices आपको आ रही है? नहीं आ रही? इसमें तो कुछ नहीं है. Nothing is there. Audible. All clear. Okay. नहीं. Maybe something has been pressed when I'm taking this diary and writing on the blackboard. So these extracts, they are from Flamingo and Vistas. Flamingo chapters, prose, I can mention. Chapters. From the chapters, 3 extracts will be there. Flamingo and Vistas, both the books. Okay? And out of these 3, 2 extracts will be done. You can take both extracts of Flamingo. There may be, if there are the 3, naturally 2 will be from one book, 1 from one book. That will be our choice. We are having the internal choice. We have to do only 1, only 2 out of these. And they are of 4 plus 4. 8 marks. This is our question number 3. We should know what is question number 3. Question number 3 is from the chapters of Flamingo and Vistas, and we have to do only 2 extracts out of 3. And there are 4 MCQ questions. This we are talking about the part 8. It is totally MCQ. No need to tell you again and again. We haven't started part 2. 2 extracts, question number 4. 2 extracts. And do any one. Do any one. These are the poems. 4 marks. Okay. Again, question number 5. Do any 8 out of 10. They are of 8 marks. They are from both books. They are from both books. Now, If the basics are clear, we have done the things very thoroughly, that means we can get, suppose these are very, question number 1 and 2, little bit very much complicated. Otherwise, what is the last step during the examination hall? It depends upon on the atmosphere also, whether we are able to tally the A, B, C, D, that we know all the tricks about that, okay? So there is very less chances that we will lose the marks in question number 1 and 2. But even then, if we have done some doubt is there, it will be clear inside that room, that I know. And what is that? After telling question number, suppose out of 20, we are getting 19 marks. But regarding question number 3, 4, 5, there should not be any confusion. No confusion should be there. If all the poems and chapters, the basics are clear, and we have done a lot of practice also, then these marks, they are in our own hand. That means in part A, out of 40, our target, that should be 40 out of 40. By any point, if we are unable, there is one error, maximum 39. Minimum 39, maximum 40. Okay? So it's very much scoring. Very easily we can get 99 and 100 marks in English. लेकिन उसमें क्या चाहिए? हमारा इंटरेस्ट, हमारी डेडिकेशन, थोड़ी सी इक्वालिटी लाइक द फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो एंड मैथ्स, थोड़ा सा टाइम देना जरूर है. इग्नोर करेंगे देन वी विल बी इन 60s and 70s. नहीं, हमें डाउट होगा, हमारा टाइम भी वेस्ट होगा. तो वेरी स्कोरिंग, वेरी लेस टाइम इट विल बी टेकन. वी विल टेक द प्री बोर्ड्स एंड द अदर एग्जाम्स. Sometime I give you the DPP also, some assignments also. So we should be very much regular in our English class. We will do a lot. Too much time still there. You people will be busy in your practicals also. But when there is class, that is my request, don't miss that. Don't do English in whole of the week. Mat karo. What we do here in class in 2 hours, in 1.5 hours, in 1 hour, that is more than sufficient. In some Sunday and some when we are feeling bored from our PCM and from bio, we can take English and take only one poem. कोई भी एक poem उठा लो, कोई एक chapter उठा लो. Let's do the MCQ. Let's enjoy. Okay? So make it a very interesting subject, and we will be able to get the good mark. And moreover, we should be benefited with the percentage also. When everywhere there is 90, 90, 90, and 60 and 70, it will not. Then we will feel कि हो मैं कर ही लेता. तो नहीं, हमने उस समय नहीं feel करना. We will do now. Right? Part A is clear. Yes, in MCQ you have to just the correct option C, and you write the option also. That is a good way to attempt the paper. One query is there, whether we have to write the A, B, C, D, or we should write the this one also. Suppose our writing is like that, some fear is there. We are in the examination room, and some fear, and moreover our writing is very much doctor बनना है, पता है ये writing कैसी हो रही है. But for the language teacher, it should be very much clear. लैंग्वेज टीचर को आपकी सी बाय चांस फ्री हैंड में लिखते लिखते सी जुड़ गई, ए लग गई, आपका आंसर ए माना जाएगा. यू विल लूज द मार्क्स इवन देन यू नो द करेक्ट आंसर. सो इट्स बेटर वी राइट ए बी सी एंड द करेक्ट option which is given the full sentence. Okay, and very neatly, and you know, for in your previous classes also I used to tell to my students, English paper means this is our Ananya art and craft paper. This is our art and craft paper. सजा सजा के प्यार से इसको करना है. आगे इनविटेशन आएगा, नोटिस आएगा, एडवर्टीजमेंट आएगी, प्रॉपर बॉक्स बनाना है. 5 marks question is there. I told to the students, letter is there 5 marks. You write in the box. हमारे स्कूल में तो मैम ने नहीं बताया बॉक्स कौन बनाना होता है. ये तो किसी भी सैंपल पेपर में भी नहीं लिखा हुआ. सैंपल पेपर में नहीं लिखा, नहीं बताया. That is not the thing. How my paper, it looks beautiful to the examiner, to the person who is checking my paper, it matters. And moreover, students, but one thing I tell you, when we check the papers, what is our state of mind? The minimum time we take with the answer sheet of one student, we give the maximum marks. Where the things are not clear, which question number is there, which one you are doing. Now, everywhere there is a choice. Out of 3, we are doing 2. Out of 2, we are doing 1. Which one we are doing? The teacher, again, she will take the paper and she will see which paper the child, which question the child has done. Okay, this one, that. It irritates the examiner. हमने पूरी कोशिश करनी है, मेरा पेपर जो चेक कर रहा है, he or she should be very much happy while checking my paper, and everything should be clear on the top, and so that she should take very less time. Underline किया हुआ है, highlight किया है, box बना हुआ है, ऊपर लिखा है which question it is. It will take only less than 1 mark. Teachers हैं 100-200 पेपर चेक करना होता है, table checking is there, so much pressure is there, and moreover they want to go, they just finish their that day's target. When it will be done? When they will take very less time to check the papers, and he or she will be very much relaxed and happy. और इसका क्या इफेक्ट होता है फिर? गुड मार्क्स. ये हमारा टारगेट होना है. सिर्फ यही नहीं कि बुक्स की हमें नॉलेज है, वी नो द रेलेवेंट. सम स्टूडेंट्स दे आर वेरी you can say intelligent, we can say, or they are in the good books of the teacher in their schools and in their institutions also, but they are in the habit of PCA का किया, बायो किया, वही हैबिट एक पड़ी होती है, फ्री हैंड यूज करें. दे आर इन 70s, अन वेरी एवरेज स्टूडेंट बड़ा नोटी, सारा टाइम तंग ही करता रहा, उसने बड़ा सजा, जो भी है कोई भी बात मैम की माइंड में रख ली. ही वॉज इन 80s and 90s. हम भी हैरान हो जाते थे, वो तो कभी आंसर ही नहीं देता था. एंड दैट चाइल्ड इज ऑलवेज गिविंग द सो मच आंसर. नो डाउट योर प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इज सो गुड, क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन इज वेरी एक्टिव, बट एट दैट टाइम टू द अननोन पर्सन वेयर योर पेपर इज गोइंग, कुरुक्षेत्र, अम्बाला, कहीं और जा रहा है, यमुनानगर, पानीपत, कहाँ है आपका पेपर, एंड विच पर्सन इज चेकिंग दैट? हाउ वी आर शोइंग व्हाट आई एम ओनली थ्रू आवर आंसर शीट. ओके, पार्ट 2 करो. And this picture should be there in our mind. What is question number 1, 2? So whenever I give you the question, I'll give you the number according to the blueprint. Okay, we should know what is question number 3, 4, 5. One day I will ask this thing also. That is also a part of homework. We will discuss here again and again. We should know what is question number 5. Ananya, बिना देखे, अब तो है ही नहीं कुछ. Your notebook. What is question number 5? 8 questions are from both the books, maybe prose or poetry. Okay, now we know the importance of the poetry. 4 marks question, that is question number 4. 4 marks होंगे. If any one question is there out of 8, any 2 भी हो सकते हैं. Any one question is there, or any 2 questions are there from the poetry, that means 4 or 2, 6. Then in question number 10 and 11 also, 20 to 30 words, and again 2 marks question, 3 marks question. That means if we know the poems very well, we will be able to do the 12 or 13 marks question paper from literature part, right? So first, don't bother about the pre-boards and the others. Now we are coming one by one, we will do all the topics. But first I want to clear all the poems. 5 poems are there, we will do that. Because इसमें explain करना है, सब कुछ है chapter की है. We will discuss the summary, some questions will be discussed, part wise we will discuss the chapter. So write down part B. Part B is starting with question number 6. It is subjective. Again, it is of 40 marks. And first, question number 6, 7, 8, 9. Writing. No grammar is there in 12th standard. Okay, only writing part is there. So 40 marks part B, it is subjective. Question number 6 to 9, they will be from writing part. So question number 6, do any one out of 2. Which are those questions? Notice, advertisement. Notice, advertisement, this is of 3 marks. Question number 7. Any one out of 2. What is there? Invitation, Invitations and replies. Again, it is of 3 marks. Question number 8. Do anyone. What type of question? Job letter or editor? Editor letter. This is of 5 marks. Now, how it is so easy now? Previously, there was complaining letter, inquiry letter, placing order. Okay, so many letters are there. Now only 2 types of letters are there. Job letter is there and editor letter is there. Both the letters will be there. There may be both the job letters. There may be one job and one editor letter. We have to do any one and that will be only of 5 marks. Question number 9. Do anyone that is article or report? 5 marks. So our writing section, that will be of 16 marks. Now see how it is so scoring. In letter also, half of the page we cover with the format. If we know the format up to subject, sender's address, then leave one line, then date, the address of the person to whom we are writing the letter, then leave one line, sir, subject. Okay, up to this, no error should be there. Perfectness. And if it is of 5 marks, how many marks can we do? If we have underlined, we have highlighted, we have written in box, and our format is right, naturally we will get 5 out of 5. Even when it was of 8 marks, we were giving 8 out of 8. Now it is so less marks are there. It is of, sorry, in question number 8 or 9, write down word limit 100 to 120. 100 to 120. So less words we need. Okay, 100 to 120. Part B, subjective, 40 marks out of 40. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9, they are of writing section. Should I rub? Okay, do it. Next is का बस literature का रह गया. That is last question is question number 13. Question paper's last question is question number 13. Now how many are left? 10, 11, 12, 13. That is of literature, 24 marks. Literature, 24 marks. So 16 plus 24 is equal to 40. We were on question number 10. We were on question number 10. Write down. Do any 5 out of 6. Do any 5 out of 6. What are these? Flamingo. Poems and prose. Full flamingo likhi di hai. That is poems and prose. Writing part. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9. 16 tha na? 6, 7, 8, 9. That is writing. This is literature. Because subjective, it is of 40 marks. The word limit is 30 to 40. अच्छा इसमें 20 to 30 नहीं है, 10th में है. How many questions we have to do? 5. 10. The book which we have started, Flamingo, chapters and poems. So 6 questions will be there. We will do 5 questions and each question that is of 2 marks. Question number 11. Again same. Do any 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Vistas. Vistas chapters are there. Again 30 to 40 words. And marks 2 plus 2. 2 questions are there, 4. Vistas chapters, they are 4 marks. Question number 12. Any one out of 2. Long question, flamingo. 120 to 150. 5 marks. 13, last question from Vistas, same type of question. Any one out of 2. Vistas, 120 to 150, 5 marks. So this is our blueprint of the question paper. We will prepare ourselves according to this. Okay? Long question, it is only of 5 marks. We have to learn this thing. हमारे mind में पूरा होना चाहिए because 11th standard question paper is in our mind and we know about the other subjects also because that is we are familiar with that. As it is changed and we will just prepare ourselves according to this blueprint. Now see, even in subjective of 40 marks, it's so scoring. Maximum question that is of 5 marks. कितना कुछ हम लिख सकते हैं if we know the topic, right? So next period, whenever we will meet the next Saturday, I'll give you one on the Blackboard on the project only, 1 DPP of the poem 1 and 1 invitation. We will start invitation. अभी एक करेंगे. अभी थोड़ा relax कर लो. 2 minutes only. What's the query? Okay. One request is there, query is there. Deleted topics. One topic आप लिख लीजिए. Deleted topics. That I will not write, only I'll dictate. Write down the topic. Deleted topics. Number 1, flamingo. Flamingo. Poet and pancakes. Poet and pancakes. 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 Lesson, the interview. Must write, must note it down. Deleted topics. In your notebook. Acha, okay, you are doing the tick mark, right? Poet and pancakes, the interview, going places. Going places. One poem is there, roadside stand. Roadside stand. These 4 topics, they are deleted from Flamingo. Okay? Vistas. The Tiger King. The Tiger King. Journey to the end of the earth. Journey to the end of the earth. I repeat after telling all the topics. Journey to the end of the earth. Last topic, memories of childhood. That is the last chapter of Vistas. Memories of childhood. These 3 topics, they are deleted from Vistas. And 4 topics are deleted from Flamingo, Poet and Pancakes, Interview, Going Places, 1 poem, The Roadside Stand. Third point is writing. Poster, only notice, advertisement and invitation is there. poster, speech, debate, enquiry, complaint, placing order letters. Enquiry, complaint, placing order letters. Note making. Note making. From writing section, poster, speech, debate, enquiry, placing order, complaint letters, and note making. Clear? So these topics, they are deleted from your syllabus. Any doubt? First you write, then I'll explain. First write down all the points, then we will discuss. Written in third person. I'm writing in short form, okay? In simple present. No whispering. Be concentrate. Because these things, they can't be repeated. It can be repeated 100 times, but we can't understand when the first time the lecture is going on a particular topic. So be concentrate. Simple present tense. Third, no salutation, beginning and ending. 4, written in box. 5, 50 words. So these are some points regarding the formal invitations. Formal invitations and replies, they are written in third person. Third person, he, she, it. First, I, we. Second, you. Okay? So instead of I am inviting you, what will be there? We will write the name of the person. Mr. Such and such is inviting, write the name of the person who is being invited by him. It is in the third person. And we use the present tense, simple present tense. That is the formal invitation. Write the question. You are Rohit Saxena. Okay, write down. And 50 words. Written in box and 50 words. Should I dictate the question? That will be our last topic of today's lecture. Okay. It will be little bit confusion, but we should understand. First of all, when we are doing the formal invitation or replies, whenever there is question in the question paper, what will be our first step? Our first step will be to see what type of letter it is. We know what are the informal letters, which are written to friends, relatives. We come to know from the question that this is formal letter or informal letter. Formal letter, which is written to a strangers or some unknown persons, we are writing the letter, that is a formal. So when formal invitation is there, when the informal letter comes in a formal way, then formal invitation will be there. Okay? When informal letter is there, suppose there is some birthday celebration is there, some other occasion is there, and you are inviting your friend, but in the question it comes, write a formal invitation, then it should be written in these points, simple present tense and in the third person. When informal is there, that we are writing in our junior classes also, 10 marks letter aati hoti thi, upar apna address, and date, dear friend, dear grandma, dear uncle, dear aunt, like that. Same format will be there in the informal. Informal is like the past previous letters which we were doing in our junior classes. But what is the new thing is there? That is the formal invitation. So our first step is to see whether the question is informal or formal. When we come to know that the question is informal and it has to be written in the formal invitation, then there are 4 options which we will do just now. Okay? Write down the question first. You are Rohit Saxena. You are Rohit Saxena of AS 11/6 Vikas Vihar 11/6 Vikas Vihar, Gurgaon. You are Rohit Saxena of AS 11/6 Vikas Vihar, Gurgaon. Write a formal letter of invitation. Write a formal letter of invitation to Shri V.K. Biswas, B-I-S-W-A-S, Biswas. Write a formal letter of invitation to Shri V.K. Biswas, inviting him to your son's, apostrophes, to your son's birthday party. To your son's birthday party. Now you will only concentrate on the writing and blackboard work. First you copy all the points, then I'll explain what's the difference. Side by side, nobody will put any question. Okay? So first write down capital A. A point is there. Make the box. We had done the first point, that is the formal invitation point A. What is this point A? When we have to invite the persons, more than 10 people, 15, okay? Suppose I'm celebrating my birthday, I'll call my friends, but I will not make the cards. Card नहीं मैं specially market से बनवाऊंगी और उनको दूंगी. I just do the phone calls and I invite them. But if there is some big occasion is there, and sometimes there is birthday celebration is there, 18th birthday they are going to celebrate, and they are going to send the invitation to 50 persons, 40 persons, 30, more than 50. So instead of inviting them on the phone call, they may make the cards. And you take the example of our annual function in schools also. We are getting the invitation cards because we are inviting 1,000, more than 1,000 students and the parents. In that sense, when there is a formal invitation, then there will be card form. Otherwise, it is mentioned in the question, draft a formal invitation. Design a formal invitation. We will come to know from the draft and design also. नहीं तो लिखा होता है write a formal invitation. If write is there, V point will also we will do. Okay, this is informal letter. The person is inviting his friends and his associations on the birthday party which he is delivering, he is giving in a large scale, and this is the drafting of a formal invitation. Here as the marks, what is this?
iPhone वाले status है, उसमें टैब करके उसको slide करेंगे।
Which one?
यहाँ पर लिखना है slide to clear।
Or now it is told that the words they are less. 39 words are there, 35 words are there. So we can add the lines, we can make 1 page answer should be there. Okay, of our answer sheet, 1 page answer should be there. We can write here 18th birthday of their son Manav, 25th December, at their residence. Come and bless their child. Okay, come and father and enjoy the occasion. Like this, we can add 1 or more lines so that it should be 40 words, 42 words, 45 words, 40 to 50 words. In other questions, it is sufficient, but in some, for informal invitation, that we will get 50 words. But in such type of the invitations, if the words are less, we can write 1 or 2 more lines are there. And just see, this is in the present tense. Request the pleasure on the occasion 25th at their residence at our residence. Instead of our, there is there, at their residence. It is in third person. This is point A. Write down point B, then I'll explain. From the very beginning, Mrs. and Mr. Rohit Saxena request the pleasure of the company of Shri V.K. Biswas on the occasion of the, take full line, 18th birthday of their son, पूरी लाइन को कवर करके, मानव on 25th December at 5 p.m. at their residence AS 11/6 Vikas Vihar, Gurgaon. You will highlight like this in between this one and Shri V.K. Biswas. This one you highlight figures, name of son, In this way, you highlight the points. I've written in free handwriting. You write very neat and clean, okay? Just I want to tell all the points of the formal invitation. Should I explain? Yes. In a paragraph. Don't start any new line in one paragraph, 4, 5 lines. 5 lines they will become. Okay. I've written on the blackboard. According to the space, I've written the answer. You take the new sheet. I'll tell you how to do such type of the question. First, we focus on the invitation. What are invitations? Then I tell you the correlated points, how to solve such type of the questions. Done? Now see, I told you it should be in the third person. So we have started the line, Mrs. and Mr. Rohit Saxena instead of we. Okay, instead of we, what we have written, Mrs. and Mr. Rohit Saxena request. Simple present tense is there. Request the pleasure of the company of Shri V.K. Biswas. Request the pleasure of the company of you. Instead of you, we have written the name of the person. Third person is there. V.K. Biswas on the occasion of the rest of the part which we have written here. Okay, when it is. So again, if we need the words, we can come here, right here, 25th December 2020 at 5 p.m. to bless the child, to wish her happy birthday at the residence. Yeah, is after that at Gurgaon, all are requested to come and bless the child. In this way, we can write one more sentence. Okay, just to make it a 40 to 50 lines. Now, this invitation is there when we are sending to person, 10%, 15%, 20%. We are writing this. So it will be in a paragraph. You have written in the tips, no beginning, no salutation, no ending. We have written this point. The same manner we have done B point. There is not, dear Mr. V.K. Biswas. The next line we are starting. No, not like this. It is in a paragraph form. Now, the A point and B point is clear. That is a formal invitation. Suppose instead of formal, informal is written there. Then as we are writing the letters, on the top, 10 civil lines Karnal, एक line छोड़ के date, then leave one line. Dear Mr. V.K. Biswas, you will be glad to know that we are celebrating the 18th birthday of my son Manav on this date, at this point, this in this. You must come and bless the child. Yours sincerely, Saxena, Mr. Rohit Saxena. That is informal. Now, when the informal letter is there in the question paper and in the form of the formal comes, then we will use this A and B point. Then we will see whether draft or design is written or whether this is to the more than the 50 or the 40 and the 30% or few percent. It should be written in this form or in this form. But even then, if we are writing in this form, that is a person to person. Some, they are having the money and they want to do the status point of view also. They can make the cards also. पहले याद है, हो सकता है आपके भी बर्थडे होते थे, छोटे छोटे वो आते थे ना, बच्चों वाले जो कार्ड फ्रेंड्स को देने आप जाते थे, ठीक है ना, फॉर द बर्थडे इन्विटेशंस. तो दैट टाइप ऑफ द कार्ड्स आर आल्सो देयर. वो अलग अलग है कि उसमें सिर्फ नाम फिल करना है, टाइम फिल करना है, घर को वो दे दिया, इन दैट सेंस. सो वी कैन डू दिस आल्सो, बट वी विल प्रेफर दिस वन बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस. It is only 4 or 5 lines. ठीक है, advertisement हम करते हैं. What is advertisement? Only 4-5 lines answer is there. But we will not see the length, how much it is covering. What we see only the content, whether it is relevant or this. Write the C point. reply of acceptance. C point. Formal reply of acceptance. Same point as of B. You copy from your B point, start writing up to at their residence. चलो मैं पहले बोल देती हूँ. श्री वी के बिस्वास. Now who will give the reply? वी के बिस्वास, श्री वी के बिस्वास या मिस्टर वी के बिस्वास, or we can write Mr. वी के बिस्वास. Thanks. First we will do the thanks of the invitation. Mr. V. K. Biswas thanks Mrs. and Mr. Rohit Saxena. Mr. V. K. Biswas thanks Mrs. and Mr. Rohit Saxena for their kind invitation on the 18th birthday celebrations Yes, you have to write in continuity in a paragraph. Okay, students, no new line, write in continuity as I have written on the blackboard the B point. But I was telling birthday celebrations of their son Manav. On the 18th birthday celebrations of their son Manav on 25th December 2020 at 5 p.m. at their residence AS 11/6 Vikas Vihar, Gurgaon. आगे वो एड्रेस at their residence AS 11/6 Vikas Vihar, Gurgaon. He is pleased to accept the invitation. He is pleased to accept the invitation. They will be there to bless the child. Definitely we can use also, we can add. They will definitely be there to bless the child. So this thing I have just added on the spot. In this way we can add to make the word limitation. If we need the 50 words, so we can add these lines. But it should be in the third person or in present tense. That is formal acceptance. Formal reply of acceptance. Last point, D point. D point, formal reply regretting inability to attend. थोड़ा सा कॉपरेट और करो, टाइम हो गया, that I know. Only 2 or 3 minutes it will take. Same matter will be there, which we have written in C point. Okay? Only 2. अपने आप को आज टैप कर लेना. इंग्लिश को हमने 2-2.5 घंटे दिए. It's too good. हाँ? कोई बात नहीं. Last point. Should I start? बाकी आप लोग 5 PM तक लिखो. C की कॉपी करके 5 PM तक सेम आंसर लिखो. Then I will continue the answer after 5 PM. Mr. V.K. Biswas thanks Mr. Rohit Saxena for the kind invitation on the 18th birthday celebrations of their son, Manav, on the 25th December 2020 at 5 p.m., but right up to 5 p.m. थक गए हो आप? Don't want to write? क्या नाम है? आर्यन, थोड़ा सा टाइम और. You are showing good patience. It will take only 2 minutes. But regrets that, okay, up to 5 p.m., comma, but regrets that owing to a OW, regrets that owing to a previous engagement, any other work, owing to a previous engagement, he is unable to attend. He is unable to attend the auspicious occasion he wishes the young boy many happy, क्या होता है आगे? Returns of the day in advance. Okay, these are our formal invitation. This is the new thing for you. Informal we already know. अगर formal आ जाता है, informal question हो and it comes as a formal, 4 options are there. We will see the question whether it is A, B, C or D. If the person is accepting, that means C answer will come. If he is not accepting, inability to regret, then not attending, D answer will come. If there is an invitation, whether it is draft or design or sent to the so many people, A answer will come. If nothing is there, you write the formal invitation, then B answer will come. You revise it, revise the poem also. We will continue. Thank you so much for attending.